Hello, we're going to be doing CIS 156, Module 8, Lab 1, CloudFront and WAF. Lab 1, set up CloudFront WAF. Create an S3 bucket with a large image file or a website. Create a CloudFront distribution for your S3 web content. Set up WAF for CloudFront distribution with the below 3 rules and rule groups. Block IP address 130.166.0.0-15 block. Block India and Canada. Block HTTP user agent reg expression. Hint. Follow lab demo video. Include images of S3 buckets, CloudFront deployment, and WAF with rules. Okay, so we start off with a bucket. Go to S3. Okay, we create a bucket. Okay, so I went to the Tokyo servers because it's on the other side of the world, because we want to see how much delay we get based on because we're starting at in a far location compared to the US where this is from. We created buckets and it will be in Tokyo. This is the only way to do it, because if I put it in normal, there's no way to select a different region, and you can still see all the buckets even if it's from a different region. Okay, let's call it last name. Tokyo CloudFront dist. I'm assuming it means distance. Distance. Okay, we just leave it the way it is. Enable. Everything is default. Okay. Let's upload a large image, or in my case, a GIF Pochi. It is 2.92, one of the largest things I have on here, besides like Valorant. Put this in here. It's also one of the biggest ones, which is 3.79. Okay, now we have those two there. Okay, and now we upload directly into the bucket. It is not uploading. Takes a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, so we want to permissions. Where did I make it public? Select objects, download, move, calculates, rename, edit storage, edit server-side encryption, and metadata. If I just click open, allow pop-ups, you can see the. Okay, well, this is the little video. It's just basically a little animation that you would use for while you play games. Okay. Okay, now we are gonna go to CloudFront. CloudFront. There we go. Let it load. All right, and the dis actually was not distance, it was distribution. And create, choose domain origin. We want the Tokyo one origin path. Okay. We want that could be left alone. We want it to only go through CloudFront and not the public. Okay, so shield, everything should be okay by default. So we'll just go all the way down and create distribution. Oop. Enable security protections. We currently don't need it, but we could enable it later. All right, create distribution. Now we wait. I don't want to double click it. Okay, double click it. Am I missing something? Ah, okay. Create new. Optional. Sure. Do not sign if incoming request has authorized header. Sure. Do we want a sign-in request or no sign-in request? That's the question. All right, sure. We'll do sign request. Create. All right, you must update policy. Provide the policy statement after creating the distribution. Okay. And create distribution. It needs to be updated. All right, let's try to see origins, behaviors, security. Where's the actual website? Tags, general. Okay. Okay, that doesn't work. Would it be this? Show V. Access denied. All right. How do I make it not denied? Security. Okay. Okay, let's go to files. See if we can make them public. Edit. This bucket has ownership and force supply for ownership. Okay, so I have no control over this unless it is through mission. That. This. Can I edit you? No. I should do it through this. Behaviors. Origins. Security. How do I make this public? Actions. Management permissions. Bucket policy. Edit. Okay, remove that. Confirm. Confirm. Okay. Okay, policy should have changed the original policy. All right, let's see if it allows me to go to the objects now. Permissions, still no edits. owner is whatever this is. I'm assuming is no E something. Security. That's 5. Okay, let's go to our WAF of a shield. Let's enable this. Probably not monitor mode because that costs money, I think. Sounds requested and blocked. That's fine. Ooh. Okay, probably not do that. Okay, create web. No, that's not the one. IP sets. Yes, that's what we want. Let's create an IP set. IP lock. Oh, I have caps lock. Lock. Set. A. Okay. CloudFront. Is there no global? Okay. Okay, let's add 130.166.0.0.16. I guess that's fine. Alright, let's create IP sets. This is block, right? Alright, let's create IP sets. Okay, let's go to rule groups. Create rule group. I call it IP block set rule 1, and that's the same. Okay, next. Okay, IP block set rule 1. Okay, if it matches statement matches expect origins from IP. Choose IP set. Why is it not creating? They're supposed to allow block one here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's go here. Did it even create it? IP sets. It didn't create it. Strange. IP block set a that there. And what was the numbers again? 130.166.0.0/15. Okay. Great. All right. It's there now. All right. Let's refresh this. IP block set rule 1 global next add rule IP block set rule 1 if address IP and then let it IP blocks at A. Finally it works. Alright, let it block add rule, add rule. Something's not working. Add rule. Validate. Rule is valid. Add rule. Why does rule not work? Cancel. I have no rules. IP block set rule 1 block, please. Validate. It is valid. Why does it not work? Oh. RN is invalid. It is the third time I have to do this. Since for some reason it keeps getting removed by itself. Okay. Accept. Reset. It's back there. We go to group. Create rule group. IP block set rule 1. Next. Add rule. IP block set rule 1. IP block set A. Add rule. It finally works after 3 times. Alright, create next. Next. That's fine. Next. Alright, it has been created. Alright, let's go back to the role groups. And we want to create block, country, India. Next. Alright, and then we add a rule, block, country, India. And then we want to originate country from India. Alright, and block. Add rule, block India, next, create rule. Alright, we're going to create block country Canada. Next, block country Canada. Okay, country Canada. All right, block it. Next, create role. All right. Now we're gonna do create group. HTTP reg express. Next, add rule. HTTP reg. Cancel. Previous. This should be reg. Okay. HTTP reg progression. All right, well, before we do this, we have to go back to this and look for regex pattern sets, create a pattern set. So I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna check. Yep, okay. All right, let's call it user agent pattern. Okay. All right, let's put dot plus, which apparently means if it's empty or not empty. All right, create pattern set. All right. Apparently they don't want us to call it whatever I called it before. I'm gonna change it to block http / user agent. All right. Then we want to add a rule. All right. Block http user agent rule. All right. All right. Matches. I don't know exactly what we're looking for. Is it single header? Okay. User agent. And that matches pattern. Where's pattern? Pattern from regex pattern sets. Yep. You want to use a pattern. Yep. All right. We want to allow this instead of blocking it. And then, right, add role. Minimum capacity must be greater or equal to 25. It's 25. All right, so let's click next. Next, create rule. Rule has been created. Now we go to web. Okay, create web A. Okay, name my web locon dash WAF. Okay. I'm assuming this is where I add the rules. Yep, no, this is where I add the CloudFront. Add the CloudFront. Next. This is where we add the rules. Add my own rules and rule groups. Yep. Rule group. Name rule 1 IP block. And choose IP block. Override rule group action. This only overrides resisting. Doesn't alter the function's rules. Overrides the rule action. Save the rule. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Add rules, rule group, rule 2, block India, and let's get India enabled. Okay, another rule, Rule 3, walk Canada. And rule, another one, rule 4, HTTP. Okay, it's supposed to be called user agent check. Get user agent. Okay. Add role. All right, let's default actions for requested moment rules allow. Sure. Next. Yes. Next. Next. It's gonna allow everything happen. Create. Okay. Okay, let's try going to our CloudFront general. Is it this? Paste and go. Just not like that. Where does it get the information? Okay, so it was this one where it's like the distribution domain name is what I'm assuming, and it took me to access denied. Okay. All right. It's supposed to have the image. Let's go to. This is because this is not a. This whole thing, the image name. Copy. Slash. Okay, I didn't like that. It does like this. No, it does not. Normally that worked, or worked last time. It works with this one. The enter. Access denied. Okay. Let's change it to not a GIF and just a regular image. Maybe that's messing things up. All right. Let's add upload. Add a normal image. All right, I'm gonna pick this one. It's pretty big. Or do this. Okay, move it in. Upload. Pending. Success. All right, close. Loading objects. Click the image. Open. Access denied. Yikes. Okay. Let's try going back here. Enter. Nope. Let's go. Copy. All right. It does not like that. Any rule violations? Nope. There's just two. Okay, refresh this. Okay, V, enter, nothing. About this one, enter, nothing. Permissions, edit, I cannot edit this. Storage class, image. Open. I get all of this, but I can't get the thing to work on the WAF. Alright, well, I can't figure this out, so I'm just gonna remove everything out. This has got thing. Remove it. Yeah, because it's not working. Something about a var PM block. Access denied. I don't know why. Alright, so let's distributions. Click disable, yes. Alright, go to what thing go associated. Remove, disassociate, remove. Alright, has been removed. Click delete, 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 delete. There we go. Alright, IP sent, delete, delete. It's being used. Used by what exactly? Virginia. And now we wait. Okay. Tokyo, where are you? There you are. Okay. Nothing's there. Alright, Kelly. Just in case it's somewhere else. Nope. Okay. IP sets. Okay, delete. Delete. Okay, it's been deleted. Virginia. Oh, wait. IP set. Delete. Alright. Global. Alright. Click delete. Okay, I can't delete it yet. Till this is gone, right? Distribution. Disabled. Why can't I delete it though? Where'd I go? Distributions. This is deploying. Alright, it's probably something else I have to do. Key groups. Yep. origin access, delete, delete. All right, failed to delete origin access control. Yikes. All right. Usage. Functions. No. Policies. No. All right, let's delete the bucket. Objects. Delete. Permanently delete with lowercase p. Close buckets. Grab, delete. I'm gonna grab this. Control C, Control V, delete bucket. Okay. Regex pattern. Delete. Delete. That's weird. Delete. Huh. That's strange. Okay. Delete. 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 Okay. Let me try this. Delete. It finally worked. All right. Making sure there's nothing besides the one that's in global. All right. No IP sets found. Go to global. And try to delete this one because it was not deleting before. Okay, delete. All right, it's finally gone. The rule group gone. Regex gone. IP gone. Web gone. Tokyo. Huh. Okay. CloudFront. Grab this. Delete. Delete. Now that's gone. Okay. Make sure everything is gone. Regex rules. And we didn't touch any of this. So this should be fine. All right, and that is the end of the video. Thank you very much.